Hey guys, it's Shayum OPB. Today I will be putting my hair kind of away the first time that I'm not styling it to just wear it out. So I'm excited to see how that process will be. My hair, I just finished washing it. So let's begin. With this entire hairstyle, I want it to be as minimal product and as easy and simple as possible. I know a lot of times when you have shorter hair and you're trying to put it in a bun, it looks like you have to go through a lot of steps. So I just wanted the easiest way for me to put my hair in a bun with very little product and very little like going in sections. Just the simplest way to put your short 4C hair in a low ponytail. I knew it'd be a lot easier for me to work on my hair while it was damp, and I just sectioned off the first braid that I'm going to braid, put some conditioner in it, leave it to make it have some slip, and then I realized I had to go back and detangle my hair more. Currently in my natural hair journey, I've only been finger detangling mostly, so I was like, no, I need to actually thoroughly detangle in order for me to have a smooth time braiding my natural hair. This is my first time actually braiding my natural hair. I added more conditioner and I added more water as well, because I knew that having conditioner mixed with my hair being on the wetter side helped allow for slip. It was much more easy for me to braid it once I did that. And one thing that's super important whenever you're braiding your hair, make sure and feel for yourself and don't braid too tight, like especially around this area, your edges, that is going to be causing tension. So as I'm braiding, you could just see me like checking. I would move my eyebrows and make sure that if I moved my head in a certain way, I wouldn't feel tension on my edges. I have a tutorial on how I cornrow, and I can also make an updated one on how I do it on natural hair. But you can also just do twists instead of cornrowing for this style. I'm going to braid now a second braid. I'm essentially just trying to make it as easy as possible to put it in a ponytail without having to put too much stress or tension or like gel or stuff. Like to be able to just go like this with whatever's left, because this will still be too much to try. I think the style will turn out good. And after I sectioned off this braid, I just thoroughly detangled it off camera with more conditioner and water. But as I was in the bathroom doing that, re-wetting it, I was thinking like, now that I'm natural, I wonder if how I use protective styling to grow my hair will change. Because to be honest, this is the most manipulation I've had to put on my hair since I went natural. Like to put it in this low manipulation style. Like with my other hairstyles, I just finger combed and like finger detangled, that I never had to, like there just wasn't as much manipulation involved. So I kind of feel like right now I am doing so much to it. So that's just an interesting point that I thought of. Like I feel like twists definitely would have made this better, like less manipulation. And honestly, I feel like twists might have even come out better. So maybe next time I'll do this with just twists. Because whenever I twist my hair, I don't feel like it's that much manipulation compared to cornrowing it, because I don't have to get my hair completely detangled before I put it in twists. So there's like less mechanics involved. Okay, this braid is coming out so much better than the first one. I think it just takes practice. So I'm just gonna put a ponytail around these two braids to make sure that they don't unravel. The rest of my hair is dry at this point. I'm just going to braid my hair with some water. So now for the moment of truth, to see if I'll be able to easily put my hair in a ponytail. Let's see if I can do this and get it to all stay down. Yeah, this section does not want to at all, but that's okay. Dang, I could braid it on that side, but that's not the style I was going for. Probably just do bobby pins, but I have to look for my bobby pins. No matter how many times I repurchase bobby pins, I always lose them, but I managed to find a total of 4 in my room. So I used that to pin down some of my hair and I put it back in the ponytail. But as you can see, it was still, like, parts were still sticking up. Okay, so I will use gel. But yes, I just put a thin layer of gel only on the top part of my hair. And then what I did next, my hair wasn't like as smooth as I wanted it to be on top. So I just very gently took my brush and like smoothed it out. I wasn't actually combing it all the way through. I was just getting the very top surface so that it would be smoother a little bit. Parts are still fluffing up, but I think I can use fewer bobby pins to stick down what is sticking up. There we go. Yeah, my camera died. But while I was waiting for it to charge, I took it upon myself to find a scarf and tie this down, because I feel like that will help it lay flat and keep it from poofing up. But anyways, the hair that I'm gonna use for the ponytail. So tell me why in my search for a 4C natural looking ponytail, they don't exist. At least I couldn't find one. Like if you have one that actually looks like 4C hair, let me know. But the ones I was seeing were like 4A, maybe a little bit 4B at most. So I tried this hair. I was scrolling through Amazon and I saw this crochet hair. I could have just used my regular crochet hair, but I saw this specific crochet hair that would already be the perfect length and everything. And I got it. It looked really natural, looked kind of like 4C hair. I'll put a picture of it here. That picture is a scam because when I got it, it looked like, let me open it for you guys. Hold on. This is what it looks like. I guess it's not that bad, but let me see if you guys can see it closer. I guess I was expecting it to look different. So I was thinking, what can I do? Basically, I just took my fingers through it and fluffed it out to get it to look a little bit closer to my hair texture. This isn't my hair texture, but I think it'll still look good. So yeah, I just went like that. Get it to look a little bit more real. And I think I'm gonna use two and combine them. I like big hair. It comes with this silver thing on it, so I'm just gonna leave that like that. I'm gonna use this as a ponytail. This was also like $3. It was really, really cheap. It looked, the ponytails that, ooh, wrapping this actually helped a lot. And I only wrapped it for like 10 minutes. But yeah, it looks much more smooth. But yeah, I'll say the ponytails that I found were a lot more expensive and they didn't look as natural. They looked too curly, like coils. It just wasn't the look I was going for. So now I'm going to get this, put it on my little ponytail. I'll get a ponytail and then I'll stick it through the middle of this. And then I'll use this. And I'll use this. Okay, so I just wrapped that black ponytail around twice. And I think I'm gonna bobby pin it up so it stays. This looks so good. This came out, I think it came out perfect. This could last me a good 2 weeks. Very simple.
I love it.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you in the next one.